Hi, excuse me. I just got back to my room and noticed my wristwatch is missing. It was on the bedside table earlier.
I'm very sorry to hear that, sir. Thank you for informing us. May I have your room number, please?
Room 101.
Thank you, sir. I'll contact housekeeping and security to assist. Plus, please have a seat while guarding the investigation. Housekeeping and security, guests in room 112 reporting missing wristwatch. Kindly proceed.
Housekeeping. Good afternoon, sir. I cleaned the room earlier. I closed the door immediately, but I took the notice carrying the same. Could you show me where the lesson in the watch?
It was right here, on the bedside table, this morning before I left.
Understood, sir. I reviewed the CCTV footage and checked the room access log. What time did you leave your room?
Around 9 a.m.
Sir, would you mind if I check your storage areas inside the room? Sometimes this place like a safe place for viewers without noticing.
Sure, go ahead.
The safe seems locked, sir. Did you use it today?
No, I did.
Alright, sir. We'll continue our check. Please allow us a few minutes to verify everything. Good news, sir. CCTV showed the watch was accidentally placed in the room saved by housekeeping.
I must have used it when keep it secure, but I should not inform you or if I will. I'm very sorry.
Well, the item was found, sir, and we truly appreciate your patience, sir, and we ensure our team is more careful next time and moving forward. Please tell us if there's something else we can do for you, sir.
Thank you. I'm glad it was resolved quickly. I appreciate everyone's help.
Thank you, sir, for understanding.